This Halloween bat bucket is easy to make, so you could make a whole batch for your kids' friends or schoolmates. For this project, you'll need a small round potato chip container, a full piece of black felt, a scrap of white felt, scissors, craft glue, googly eyes, a black pipe cleaner, and something to poke a hole in the sides of the potato chip container. Cut a piece of black felt to fit around the potato chip container. With an 8.5 by 11 piece of felt, the short side fits perfectly around. Cover the container with craft glue, especially getting around the edges. Wrap the felt around the container, making sure that the edges are glued together securely. Cut out some bat wings out of the black felt, leaving about a 1 to 2 inch tab to glue to the back. I like to make a paper pattern first and use it for both of the wings. Once you have the wings cut out, put a significant amount of glue on the tabs for each wing. Stick the wings onto the container, lining up the edge of the tab with the seam. This will become the back of the basket. Poke a hole on each side of the container, about 3/4 of an inch to an inch from the top. I'm using a file from fingernail clippers, but you could use an X-Acto knife. Whatever you do, be sure to protect your fingers on the inside so that you don't poke yourself. Once the holes are through the container, stick the end of a pipe cleaner in one side and bend up the end to hold it in place, and then do the same thing for the other side. Cut 2 fangs out of the white felt and glue them onto the container. Now glue the googly eyes into place. And you're finished. Once all the glue is dry, you can fill your bucket with Halloween treats or use them to decorate a Halloween party table. Please subscribe to my channel for more Halloween and other holiday craft ideas. You don't want to miss an episode.